What's up, all you cartoon car lovers? Look at this. You want to see something cool? Not only is it Hot Wheels, but boom, Brap. Look, I own the whole Brap line. That's me. Look at this cool thing. I don't know if they just jacked it up for 4x4 or if it's actually 4x4. But he's got the Hot Wheel theme going all the way through this whole car. That thing is cute, let me tell ya. I bet this thing could jump a ramp. Crazy cool, right? And on top of that, you probably get really good gas mileage. You can climb the curb, you can park on the curb, and go into the cafe and drink your Starbucks. All with the cool little Hot Wheels. You want to see more cool cars? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.